Welcome back to another video. I'm really bad at vlogging right now, so this is the intro to the video because I just have like random clips for this video that hopefully will help explain what's happening. I am going to insert my TikToks that I made and posted on my TikTok page to help explain the situation we're in, so those videos I'll put in right after this. But I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm back with a video. I haven't posted in a while, but that's because all of like the Big Betty renovation clips were done and I finished the RV. But now we move on to like planning our trip and actually like going on a trip. But we weren't really like fully ready for it. Like we kept telling people like, yeah, we're leaving sometime after Christmas. We don't really have a day of when we're leaving. So it's December 19th today, right? Last night, we get a message from a family who would like to rent our place and was like, great, yeah, let's do it. Let's set it up. Well, they want to rent from December 31st through August 5th. It's about 8 months. 7 months, 8 months, whatever it is. Wasn't prepared for that. We were prepared for like a 3-month, 4-month trip where we could leave a lot of the stuff in our house still. But now I gotta pack up the house in about 2 weeks right before Christmas and find a storage unit and figure out what to do with our mail and all of that kind of fun stuff. And try to plan for an 8-month RV trip when the longest we've ever gone is a week. Like we are brand new to this RV world and RV lifestyle. Like we're excited for it. We want to do it. But I think we might be a little crazy. So it's official. We are going on this road trip. The renters signed the lease this morning and sent it over. I just got all the payments set up and it's happening. So now I officially have 11 days to pack up all the personal stuff in this house, get a storage unit, celebrate Christmas, and prep for a snowstorm where we're supposed to get 16 inches of snow on Thursday/Friday. Like, do I need to worry about the RV? Like, that was my main concern, was does 16 inches of snow affect our RV that is sitting on our driveway and it's up on stilts? I don't know. I've never really owned an RV before, so I don't know what you do. Most normal people store their RV at this point in Wisconsin, but Chris and I aren't normal people. So it's December 23rd and we're in like a winter warning right now, a winter storm warning, because the car says 10 degrees, but I'm in the garage and it's been running, so I don't know how accurate that is. But like all of today, the temperature with the wind chill is supposed to be like -26. So we're all bundled up, but we have to go to the store to get stuff for Christmas Eve dinner. My parents and sister are coming over, and then renters are coming in 8 days, so I have some things that I gotta get done with that. And I just got ourselves a P.O. box so that we can forward our mail from the house to the P.O. box, and then either my mom or someone can go get our mail for us while we're gone for 7 months. So that's the goal for today. And then I want to get more of the basement done. Chris is in charge of getting his clothes done. I dropped a bunch of my clothes I'm donating to Salvation Army already, so I want Chris to go through his stuff because he doesn't wear like probably 2/3 of all of his clothes anyways. So yeah, but let me just show you what it looks like outside. So it doesn't look terrible. We were supposed to get a lot more snow and then that ended up changing, but today is like, they're calling it whiteout conditions because when the wind gusts come, it's terrible. There's like 50-mile-an-hour winds today, so super fun, and it's freezing cold. we can't wait to get more south, that's for sure. To do all this in one trip because it is so freaking cold out. And I went to go to the post office and I needed a non-photo ID and a photo ID, like government photo ID and non-photo ID, but I brought my passport and my license thinking I'd be okay with that because usually you just need to show 2 forms of ID. But I don't have the non-photo ID. I didn't realize it. I didn't read it correctly, so now I have to go back. But it is so cold out. Like, I just got done at the grocery store and it hurts my face to walk outside right now. It is miserable. It's gross. We're leaving on Friday. So we have basically 2.5 days to get everything ready to go. We have the rest of today, Wednesday, and Thursday to get everything packed up and ready to go because tomorrow we're doing Christmas with my mom and dad at their house because my sister's whole family was sick yesterday. So Chris and I celebrated yesterday, but not with her family, which was weird. So we're all going back tomorrow and doing it all over again, which is fun because the kids get to open presents and whatnot. But currently at Home Depot, because I got to get some stuff for the house and some last minute like projects that I have to get done before the renters move in on Saturday. But we're leaving Friday. We just booked our first location and we will be there from January 1st to February 1st. We're excited. We've got a lot to do, but I can't believe it's happening. Like, we're leaving for a 7-8 month RV trip with 0 experience. So crazy. We're crazy. Good morning, everybody. It's currently 7:01. I got up at 6 and went to Starbucks because I already cleaned the coffee pot and everything here, and I don't want to make it dirty again and have to re-clean it. And then I got a blueberry muffin for my breakfast. But we leave today. The goal was to leave around like 10:30. I don't know realistically if that's going to happen. I still have quite a bit to do. Not a ton. I think it looks like I have more to do than I actually do. Like, I have to just put all those dishes away behind me. But I still have to, like, deep clean the bathrooms, which won't take that long. But then I also have to, like, mop the floors and, like, organize the RV. It looks like a bomb went off in the RV right now. And I don't know if I just, like, wait until we get there and then I'll, like, organize the RV, or if I do it now. But I could just shove things into, like, random places just so it doesn't move around while we're driving and then fix it when we get there. But I don't know. Haven't decided. We'll see how long the inside of here takes me. But I'm tired. I am tired. And we've got a long day of driving today too, so should be fun. So that's on my agenda for today. I'll put in a little montage of me cleaning. So enjoy that. Okay, so we are on our way to the storage unit and we are dropping off the Lexus and the last few things that we have left to put in it. But then we're gonna head back to the house. Chris is gonna get in the RV and we're gonna go. I got Remy, she's my little companion, huh? Yeah. Gosh, it's so exciting. We are giving up 1,500 square feet for about maybe 250, 300 square feet. But we are so excited. We cannot wait. We've been talking about doing this for 3 years now, and it's finally happening. And we're so excited. It's everything like we talked about wanting to do, and it's happening. kind of crazy that what doesn't fit in the RV fits in there.
Yeah.
Like that's our life in this box. Remy, are you excited? She's got her blankets, her toys, and she is ready. Last thing to do. Well, this is goodbye. Everything is packed up and ready to go for the renters. Finished. 2 hours behind schedule, but that's okay. I finished. I've got some tools. Everything's cleaned. Crazy. That light's working again. Try not to step on anything. My goodness. Well, Stonebridge, you were a great first house. Now it's time for renters. It's kind of crazy. Everything's ready to go. Fridges are empty. Freezer is empty. Everything is clean. Wow. Everything is ready to go. I don't think our house has ever been this clean. Crazy. Wow. I think that's it. Dang. It's a good first house. Alright guys, this is it. We're leaving. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel. Make sure you're subscribed to all of our other social media platforms. We have TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram. So follow us on there for more information about our lives and our journey in the RV so far, and we really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye.